Hi! The reference callout views script is a way to fast create callout views on a floor plan. In this case, we have a building with inside the links with multiple type of rooms, and we have the different interior decorations in our model. We want to reference specific floor plans on specific room types. It goes like this. I create a annotation tag on top of the rooms, and I use these parameters to indicate the sheet names and detail numbers that I want to reference to. In this case, king room floor plan is sheet A101 detail 1, and I place it somewhere inside the room and start the script by selecting this annotation, select the correct link, and specify which group of views to look out for. And once that is all done, run this. It's going to find all the king rooms in the model and on those views, and it's going to create the same tag on top of those rooms. And it's going to override them into a different color so that you know this is generated by script. The same goes on to level 2. That is done. I can repeat that on the queen room as well. This one will be detail number 3, because over here it says queen room floor plan detail number 3. I'm going to select that. I'm going to run. Well, again, it's very similar colors. Let's do this again. It's going to try to find them and dye them into different colors. Now this is slightly different from the first one. You can tell the difference. We're going to stop here and select everything on this view, copy, go to ceiling plan, paste, align to current view. We're going to jump to the second script. Now we know that on the sheet, the ceiling plan for the rooms is one detail away from the floor plans. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say detail number +1. Run this. It's going to change that to number 2 and number 4 on the ceiling plan. Do the same on level 2. Copy, paste, and increase by 1. Number 2, number 4, so on and so forth. And jump to step 3. Step 3 is going to find all these special view callouts, special creator, generic annotations, find the rooms, use that data to generate the reference callout, like there. So these ones will refer to the correct ceiling plans or refer to the correct floor plans, just like that. And because it's using the boundary of the room, it is very clean and consistent throughout different rooms, different levels. And finally, in the case where the shape of the room is weird, we can do this by selecting the created reference callout and update the callout shape to match the boundary of the room on both floor plans and ceiling plan. And there. Now we have consistently created all these reference cards. This is completely 4 steps to do this workflow. In the full version of the video, I described the system errors to look out for and the reasons why this has to be separated into 4 steps in order to provide more human input. You're welcome to look for that as well. And that will be all. Thank you.